Distance, time, and speed. Distance is equal to speed times time. Time is equal to distance over speed, and speed is equal. Annie can cover a certain distance in 1 hour and 30 minutes by covering 2/3 of the distance at 4 km per hour and the rest at 5 km per hour. Find the total distance covered. Since time and speed are both given, we can use the equation. Time is equal to distance over speed. To solve, let x be the total distance. 2/3 x kilometer over 4 km per hour represents 2/3 distance at 4 km per hour. 1/3 x kilometer over 5 km per hour represents the rest of the distance covered at 5 km per hour. And 3h over represents the total time traveled. To simplify, multiply both sides by 20. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5, so that will be 5 times 2/3 x. Plus, 20 divided by 5 is 4, and that will be 4 times 1/3 x. So 20 over 2 is 10, times 3 is equal to 30. 5 times 2/3 x is equal to 10 over 3x plus 4 times 1/3 x is equal to 4 over 3x. The working equation will be 10 over 3x plus 4 over 3x is equal to 30. 10 over 3x plus 4 over 3x is equal to 14 over 3x. By dividing both sides by 14 over 3, x will be equal to 6.43. A car travels with an average speed of 80 km per hour. It stops for 2 minutes every time it travels 40 kilometers in distance. How long will it take to reach 880 kilometers from the starting point? Since distance and speed are both given, we can easily solve for the time. Time will be 880 km over 80 km per hour, and that is equal to 11 hours. So 11 hours is the time taken to travel 880 kilometers. But remember that it stops for 2 minutes every time it travels for 40 kilometers in distance. So the number of stopping points will be 880 over 40, which is equal to 22. But remember that the last stopping will be its destination, so we will deduct 1 from 22 minus 1 is equal to 21. So 21 times 2 minutes is equal to 42 minutes, so that will be the time of rest. So the total travel time will be 11 hours and 42 minutes. Running at 4/5 of its normal speed, a school bus is 10 minutes late. Find its usual time to cover the journey. The new speed will be 4/5 of its original speed. Since the speed and time has inverse relation, the new time taken by the bus is equal to 5/4 of the normal time. So 5/4 of the usual time minus the usual time is equal to 10 minutes. 10 minutes is 1/4 of the normal time, so the normal time is 40 minutes. The distance between stations A and B is 600 kilometers. A train starts at 3 p.m. at Station A and moves towards Station B at an average speed of 60 km per hour. Another train starts at 2:20 p.m. and moves towards Station A at an average speed of 80 km per hour. How far from Station A the two trains met and at what time? Let x be the distance from Station A where the trains will meet. 600 minus x over 80 km per hour represents the time covered by the train from Station B, and x over 6 will represent the time covered by the train from Station A. The working equation will be 600 minus x over 80 minus x over 60 is equal to 40 over 60. Since the difference between the time these two trains started is 40 minutes. Multiply both sides by 240, so 240 divided by 80 is 3, So 3 times 600 minus x minus 240 over 60 is 4. So 4 times x is equal to 240 over 60 is equal to 4 times 40. 3 times 600 is equal to 1,800 and 3 times negative x is equal to negative 3x minus 4x is equal to 4 times 40. So, combine like terms. Negative 3x minus 4x is equal to negative 7x and 160 minus 1,800 is equal to negative 1,640. Dividing both sides by negative 7, the answer will be 234.29. For more videos on how to solve problems in mathematics with different shortcuts, click subscribe, like and share.